In this video, I'll show you how you can export a video in Davinci Resolve 16. It's actually quite simple. So make sure to edit your video, and then once you're done editing your video, you want to click on Deliver right here. Next up, you should be able to find your clips and your edited video right here, and then all you need to do is go into the render or export settings on here. So you can add a file name. I'll just name this test. You can add a location. So hit browse and then select where you want to save this. I'll just go with downloads. There you go. Now next up, you can actually save this as a single clip or individual clips. I recommend clicking single clip, which means that it will render as one video, which is probably what you're looking to do. Make sure to select this at video, and you can then scroll down and change all of this as well. So right here we have the resolution, which is fine, 1920 by 1080 HD, which is great. You can also go with Ultra HD or this one or that one. That's up to you guys. You can change the frame rate if you want to. For this video, I can only go with 30 FPS. Now, once you're done doing this, you can click on Add to Render Queue, and it will then appear right here. All I need to do now to start exporting your video is click on Start Render right there, and you'll see that it will start rendering / exporting your video. So that's how you can do this. If this quick video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works or if you have any questions, and I'll try and get back to you, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.